The first minutes of the session often define the entire trading day. Price forms a range, breaks it, and momentum follows. This is the idea behind the opening range breakout. The advanced opening range breakout indicator structures intraday trading around the opening range. It defines the range based on selected logic, tracks breakout conditions, applies validation filters, and manages confirmation timing. Flexible range settings, breakout logic, filters, all in one tool. Let's see how it works. The opening range is defined by a configurable time window. You can adjust the start and end time depending on your market or trading session. The trade entry period can also be limited by time. This allows the breakout logic to be applied only within a defined interval. The range can be calculated in different ways: full range, body range, or ATR-based range. Each method produces a different structure on the chart. Breakout confirmation can be defined in different ways, either by a break of the high or low, or by the candle close. Breakouts can be filtered using a threshold. The threshold defines how far price must move beyond the range. It can be set in percentage or ticks. The indicator includes a flexible filtering system. Available filters include volume conditions, ATR-based volatility checks, EMA alignment, higher timeframe trend validation, and ADX-based directional strength. Each filter can be enabled independently, allowing you to refine breakout conditions based on your trading logic. Filter confirmation can also be controlled over time. This defines how many bars the filter remains valid after a breakout. Sometimes the breakout happens first and filter conditions are confirmed later. This setting allows those conditions to catch up, making the system more flexible. To avoid late entries, max breakout distance limits how far price can move while waiting for confirmation. The indicator can also display target and stop levels based on the opening range. Targets can be calculated using a fixed distance, ATR-based levels, or a range multiplier derived from the opening range size. Stops can be defined using a fixed distance, ATR-based levels, or a percentage of the opening range. Intermediate 50% levels can also be displayed for both targets and stops. Additional reference levels can also be displayed. These include the previous range, the open line, and midpoint levels. The indicator supports alerts and visual markers for breakout events. Alerts can also be triggered when price reaches target and stop levels. Signal plots expose key range data that can be used by NinjaTrader strategies. Let's look at a breakout example. The opening range forms. Price breaks the range and a signal appears. The move develops and the target level is reached. The NinjaTrader Advanced Opening Range Breakout Indicator gives you full control over range, breakout, and validation logic. Available with a subscription or lifetime license. Start your free trial now, link in the description.